Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making this easy and healthy recipe, and as it's Valentine's Day, I have also made some hearts for decoration. You can use it to surprise your loved ones, and it really makes a difference how you present your food. So I've taken a red bell pepper, and we are going to cut out hearts from this. So you'll get around 6 to 8 hearts from one bell pepper. So once you have a heart, you can refine its shape by cutting the sides edges with the knife and giving it a proper heart shape. Now whatever leftover bell pepper is there with us, we are going to use it in the recipe. So I have put it in a bowl, and then I'm adding 250 grams of crumbled cottage cheese or paneer. Now 1 cup of grated carrot, 1 chopped onion. You can use veggies of your choice, and some fresh coriander. Adding in half cup of rice flour. So rice flour helps to make these balls crispy, so you need to use enough flour so that it becomes crispy. So don't overdo the flour. Now I'm adding some salt to taste, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of nigella seeds or kalonji, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds to add some protein and calcium, more protein and calcium. Now I'm just mixing it all really well with the help of my hands. And please don't use water or anything. It will all get mixed really well, and you can easily make your balls with the mixture that we'll have. Now I'm just making some medium sized round balls. Now we are going to pan fry them in an appa maker. So I'm just adding some olive oil and I'm spreading it. Then we'll be placing all these balls in each section of the appa maker. Now we're going to cover and cook each side for 5 to 7 minutes or until golden brown and crispy on the outside. So, and you need to do it on low flame so that it gets really crispy on the outside. Now once they are done, they are ready to be served. You can serve them however you like it, with chutney, with your sauces. And I'm just gonna quickly show you how it looks on the inside. So it's quite crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, and it was super duper yum. It's such an easy recipe and extremely yummy. So you should definitely try it, and it's very healthy too at the same time. Now I'm just using a skewer, and I'm just placing my hearts and our paneer balls, and it looks so cute and beautiful. You can surprise your Valentine or your loved ones with these paneer balls, and you can make this on a normal day as well. Doesn't necessarily you don't have to make these hearts every time. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Stay tuned for more such healthy recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Happy cooking. Bye bye.